In this quick guide, we're going over what to do if your Beats Solo 4 headphones are only working on one side. It's super annoying, but don't stress. There are several simple fixes you can try before assuming the headphones are broken. Most of the time, it's something minor you can sort out in just a couple of minutes. First thing you should try is a reset. A lot of the time, it's just a small software glitch that can be cleared up easily. Turn on your headphones by holding the power button until the white light comes on. Keep holding it for about 10 more seconds. Eventually, you'll see the light blink red and then white. Once it finishes blinking white, release the button. That's your signal. The reset is done and they're back in pairing mode. Go ahead and reconnect them to your phone or whatever device you're using and test whether both sides work again. If that didn't fix it, try using another device. Sometimes the issue is actually coming from your phone, laptop, or Bluetooth settings. Test them with both a Bluetooth connection and a wired cable if you have one. If they work fine on another device, then your headphones are perfectly fine and the problem is coming from your original device or audio settings. But if you're still only getting sound from one side, no matter what device you pick, then the issue might be hardware related. It could be a damaged speaker wire inside the ear cup, a loose internal connection, or even a worn out audio driver. Gently check the ear cushions and headband area to see if anything feels loose or rattly, because that's a common sign of an internal break. If you notice distortion, crackling, or the sound cutting in and out when you move the ear cup, that's another clue the wiring might be failing. At this point, your best move is to check your warranty. If you're still covered, Beats may repair or replace them at no cost. Their support team is usually pretty responsive, and you can start a repair request through their official website. You can also take them to a certified Apple or Beats service center if you would rather talk to someone in person. Even if the warranty is expired, they can still diagnose the issue and tell you your repair options. To wrap things up, try a full reset first, then test multiple devices and both wired and wireless connections. If none of that works, it's most likely a hardware problem that needs professional attention. Taking action early helps prevent the issue from getting worse, and in many cases, you can get them fixed without spending much, or even for free if you're covered.